Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski, Assurance Claim Services, and today I'm going to share with you a video that I did yesterday at an inspection where this homeowner was severely underpaid by the insurance company because of two major items that were left out, and I want to see if you can pick them out. Let me know. Thanks for stopping by. Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski, Assurance Claim Services, and today we are in a home townhouse up in Tequesta where this toilet, there was a sewage backup, and this toilet had sewage coming up through it, and you could see the clean out has already been done. A flood cut all the way around. There's damage to the cabinets. So here's a couple things that have been missing from the estimate. You can see there's tile damage here, but this is how we test for tile damage. Hollow, 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 normal. That's how it sounds. So that's how we know water got up underneath this. Now let's take a look at the carpet. This carpet goes up the stairwell, and you could see that it was continuous into these bedrooms. There's not even a seam at these bedrooms. And the insurance estimate came back as only replacing the stairwell and this small little landing up here, when in reality, it should be that bedroom, and both closets. So this person was severely underpaid, primarily because of the flooring not being adjusted properly. So we're gonna show them the right way to do it. Hey, thanks for stopping by. If there's anything you need from me, please let me know.